Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this June the 19th, 2023. I'm hoping everybody's having a great Monday evening out there. Hope everybody had a great Monday out there as well. I hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in today's video, we'll talk about the forecast for Tuesday and Wednesday. Also, we're going to take a look at the weather radar across the nation. Also, take a look at the watches, warning, and advisory map for your locations as well. Also, we're going to take a look at the Storm Prediction Center overview and also in a few other products they offer. And also, we're going to take a look at the National Hurricane Center on the track of Bret number 93, which will become Tropical Storm Cindy probably in the next day or two. Alrighty, so if you're a new viewer and have not subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. Love to have you. Also, like these videos if you like them. Share the videos if you can on social media. Love to get my forecast channel out to as many people as possible. I'm still trying to reach that 500 subscriber mark. If somebody out there could help me, I greatly appreciate it. And if you like what I do, consider subscribing. Love to have you. Alrighty, well, let's go ahead and get the show on the road here, folks, and dive on into the forecast now. As you can see, we got shower and thunderstorm activity up here in central Maine, southern Maine, all the way through New Hampshire, through Boston, New York, Philadelphia, Washington, D.C., Virginia, down to the Carolinas, all the way down to the Florida Keys, that is, Miami, Florida area, all the way back to the portion of Louisiana. Also back in Alabama, Mississippi, and Georgia. All the way back up into Kentucky and Ohio there as well. In the red slashed area here, we have some flash flooding, heavy rain possible here in the Carolinas, all the way up to southern Virginia and northeast Georgia, just east of Atlanta. Also, we have some severe weather possible, yellow slashed area there. We got high pressure dominating pretty much southern Canada, Quebec area, all the way down in Toronto and Montreal area. Also down in the Chicago, Illinois vicinity. Also in the Michigan, Wisconsin, over to Minnesota. Also in the Iowa, Missouri, Arkansas, all the way back to Oklahoma, over toward Houston, Texas, back over to northern Mexico, all the way down to the Gulf of California, all the way into California as well, Nevada, Utah, back over to Denver, Colorado area, all the way up into a portion of Minnesota as well. We have a big area shower in the northern portion of the United States, from southern Canada all the way down into North and South Dakota, down into Nebraska, and also back into northern Kansas. Also over in portion of Wyoming, back also in Idaho as well, southern Canada, and also we have some shower activity over here in the portion of southwest Canada through western and central portion of Seattle, Washington area, and also down to western Oregon. We got below normal temperatures over here in around the Nevada area and points northward into the Pacific Northwest. As the purple color here, we got mixed precipitation over Nevada, southeast Oregon, with Idaho, also southeast Idaho as well, northwestern Wyoming, also up here around the Vancouver, Canada area, back down towards Seattle, Washington, and also into central Oregon as well. We have some critical fire weather issue problems over a portion of Arizona and New Mexico there as well. Let's move on to as you can see down in Montreal, Toronto, Canada vicinity. Also over here in the New York and also New Hampshire, Maine vicinity. Also over in the Michigan, Wisconsin. Also down in the Iowa, Missouri, Arkansas, back into Texas. Around the Dallas area, Houston, Texas, all the way back into southern Texas. We have shower and thunderstorm activity. Extended from Philadelphia, Washington, D.C. through all the way back to Louisiana, Mississippi, Ohio, the red Virginia, heavy rain in the port of Minnesota, all the way down in the ports of North Texas, all the way through Denver, Colorado, back into Montana, a little bit over around Vancouver, Canada. We have some heavy rain possible and flooding in portions of western Nebraska, northwestern Kansas, and also western portions of South Dakota. Also, we have more mixed precipitation over here in portions of northern Wyoming through Montana, northeastern Idaho, back down to Seattle, Washington State, down to Idaho, western portions of Wyoming, down to New Mexico, southern Texas, Arizona, California, Nevada, Oregon. You're dominated under high pressure. San Francisco, Los Angeles looks good. Gulf of California looks good as well, and Northern California as well for your Wednesday. Radar for your location. Alrighty, as you can see, we got some shower and thunderstorm activity over portions of northern Maine. Also, we got that low pressure system around the Puerto Rico area, and also some over here in portions of Cuba as well. Some down here along the Gulf Coast region, around the Pensacola area of Florida, St. Petersburg as well, and also some over here around the stretching into portions of Washington State, Oregon. Got some rain showers and snow showers there. Also in the Idaho, western Montana, in the portions of Nevada, northern Utah, California, down toward the Gulf of California as well. Guam radar currently unavailable. Got some scattered showers around the island. Alright, let's move on to the watches, warning, and advisory map for your location across the area.